Trending pa rin sa social media ang isyu na kinasasangkutan nina Maris Racal, Anthony Jennings, at ang ex-girlfriend ni Anthony, na si Gemela Villanueva. Kung saan, inilahad o inilabas ni Jam ang mga screenshots ng conversation ni Anthony at Maris. Na alam natin na ito'y isang pagtataksil ni Anthony, at nagdulot nga ito ng matinding kalungkutan at anxiety kay Jam. Ngunit, dahil nga dito, ay mukhang posibleng ang kasuhan, nina Anthony at Maris, si Jam. Ayon nga sa naging pahayag ng lawyer producer at legal counsel ng Star Magic na si Attorney Joji Alonso. Assuming that all the screenshots are legit, the fact remains that Maris and Anthony have committed no crime. Their actions may be regarded as morally wrong, but they were never married to their respective partners. Gemela, on the other hand, has committed at least 2 crimes with her actions. Cyber libel and violation of data privacy. She cannot hide her actions under the guise of moving on. Yes, she may have experienced pain and betrayal, but this does not give her the license to violate the law. Nemo CBD Serpitest. O ibig sabihin, no one is entitled to take the law into his own hands. Kayo, anong masasabi nyo tungkol dito? Just comment down below.